tired of forgetting ideas, missing important meeting details, or struggling to jot down quick thoughts? With iOS 26, your iPhone makes it incredibly easy to record voice notes. And now, it even gives you instant transcripts right inside the Notes app. Let me show you how to do it, all in just a few taps. Start on your home screen, then touch and hold the Notes app icon until a quick menu appears. From that menu, tap Record Audio. This skips the usual steps and jumps straight into a new audio note. You'll see a clean recording screen. Tap the red record icon at the bottom and start speaking. Try to speak clearly and keep your phone close for the best sound quality, especially if you're recording a class lecture or meeting. Once you're done, tap the stop icon to end the recording. You'll now see your recording time along with standard playback controls. Now for the best part. To generate a transcript, tap the transcript button in the bottom left corner. Just like that, your spoken words turn into readable text, perfect for reviewing later. Want to keep things organized? Tap the three-dot icon in the top right, choose Rename, and give your recording a clear title. And if you need to keep going, tap Resume, record more, then tap End and Done to save everything together in one file. Your voice note will now appear in your Notes app with a play button and the transcript displayed just below it. You can repeat these steps anytime you want to quickly capture thoughts, document ideas, or keep a voice record of anything important. Alternatively, you can create a new voice note by launching the Notes app and then tap the New Note icon to create a new note at the bottom rightmost corner, right next to the search bar. Once you're in the New Note text field, find and tap the Attach File icon, represented by a paperclip, from the quick menu icons. This opens a pop-up menu. Select Record Audio from the given options, then use the on-screen controls to record, rename, save, and generate a transcript of your new audio recording or voice notes. If this helped you unlock a new feature in the Notes app, give the video a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips you'll actually use. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.